Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sarva's Fun. Today I'm going to share with you guys another awesome. Last video I made a bicycle and this video I'm making a helicopter. Let's go to the video. Start opening the box. Okay, this time we're making a helicopter, so we need helicopter's pieces. Wow, there's so many colors inside. I like the bright colors. They're so lovely to see. So many bright colors. And they're my favorite colors even. I like the rainbow so much. Let's get the pieces. Okay. There's so many joints. Okay. Let's get out. Everything is almost out. Now, let's clean this place and start the wheel here. And we need two joints. This joint we need and one pipe. You can choose any color of pipe and we'll keep it over here like this and we'll cut it. And kids, be careful of the scissors and ask adults before using them. Let's cut one like this and one over here. Let's cut over here. There we go. And we just need to do this a little. And it's done. Now, let's join these. So we'll keep this over here. Let's keep it like this. It's like the wheel of the helicopter. Let's keep one over here. There we go. Let's keep up over here. Two more joints. I said these both we should keep up. Let's do it. Okay. Let's keep this like this and this. Oops. Like this. There we go. Like this. Now we'll choose a pipe. So I choose this color and we'll join it. Let's keep from here. You guys even can try this at home. It's so easy. Let's keep it. Okay, it takes a little time to keep this over. Come on, please wait. Okay. Now I joined it and we'll cut it like this. There we go. It's cut it. Now we'll do over here with let's see, let's take a pipe. This color we'll take and we'll take one more of these. Okay, let's keep it. So I took in this and I'll keep it over this pipe. Let's keep it. Let's keep it in. Now I kept it in and I'll do like this and keep it. Let's keep it. There we go. And okay, let's keep it in. There we go. Now we'll do here. Let's keep a green color and we'll keep it from here. This piece in. Let's keep it. Now I'm keeping it in the middle. Let's keep it towards the middle. Now I'm going to join it. Let's join it. There we go. I now join it. Now we have to keep one over here. Let's choose orange and keep this. Okay. Now let's keep it in. There we go. And I have to cut it in this measurement. I'm done cutting it. Now I'll put it on. There we go. It's now on. And now we'll do this side. So I choose these two colors and I'll put it here and here. Let's keep it. There we go. And let's keep this spin. There we go. And we'll take one of these and keep one here and one here. There we go. So now I'm using this pipe, a small pipe, and I'll keep it over this hole. So let's keep it. There we go. And use this one. And I'll keep it like this. There we go. And I'm using a blue pipe. Using this pipe. And I'll join it here to here. Let's take it here. And join it here. So now I'll keep this pipe over here. Let's keep it. And then I'll keep this one. Where is it? This one and keep it here. There we go. We kept it, and we'll use three color stick pipe, and then we'll keep it. So I got 3 sticks, and I will just cut it for the blade. Let's cut it. Now I cut it and equally, and I'm gonna keep it over here. Let's keep. There we go. One more here. And one more here. There we go. Now I'm gonna keep it this color here, here, and here. So I'm gonna keep one here first. Let's cut it. There we go. And let's keep one over here. And there we go. There we go. So my helicopter is ready. Now we'll show you the helicopter. So here's the front part, and this is our blade. It can even turn. Here we go. It's moving, guys. Look, it's moving. It's so cool. Here's the front part, and this is the back part. Wow, it's so cool. And you can even try these at home, guys. It's so easy and so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Until then, believe in yourself and believe in God. Bye.